In this genius video, you will learn transitive and intransitive verbs which will help you score full marks in your exams. तो सबसे पहले इस सेंटेंस को देखो. MS Dhoni scored a lot of sixes. अब यहाँ पे MS Dhoni scored alone does not make a complete meaningful sense on its own, है कि नहीं? The sentence becomes meaningful with the help of its object, a lot of sixes. The verbs which need an object to complete their action उन्हें कहते हैं transitive verbs. अब ऐसा करते हैं, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखें. MS धोनी appreciated विराट कोहली. तो appreciated whom? विराट कोहली. Hence appreciated is the transitive verb यहाँ पे. John bought a new bike. तो bought क्या? Bought what? इसका जवाब होगा a new bike. तो hence bought is the transitive verb here. Akshay signed a new film. यहाँ पे signed is the transitive verb. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये वाला सेंटेंस देखो. The child sleeps all day. अब आपको क्या लगता है, sleep जो है यहाँ पे, is it a transitive verb? It is not, as the verb sleep is not using any object to complete its action. The verbs which do not need any object to complete their action उन्हें कहते हैं intransitive verb. For example, the birds are chirping. अब ये जो action of chirping है, it is complete here ना, without any object. फिर एक और example देखो. Children are playing. Now here the action of playing is being conveyed without any object. तो अब कुछ question solve करते हैं. Identify the verbs in each sentence and write if they are transitive or intransitive. तो पहला sentence है, the first bell rings at 7 a.m. अब यहाँ पे the verb rings is complete on its own. ठीक है ना? There is neither an answer to what या who या whom. तो hence it is an intransitive verb. अगला वाला sentence, the batsman hit the ball hard. अब यहाँ पे the verb hit arises the question what. Hit what? तो आंसर होगा the ball, which makes the ball an object. तो ये हो गया transitive verb. So now you have understood transitive and intransitive verbs well enough. आप भी जो है इस टॉपिक में full marks ला सकते हो. Stay tuned to the Genius app for more such awesome Genius videos. Until next time, Genius से पढ़ो, Genius बनो.